Hey Petty fan, we back with another video. We're doing Cenat. Cenat. I told Teanna Trump to come to the back seat. Okay, let's get into it.
TT herself, y'all. Damn, this is the surprise I had.
Big ass backseat.
Yes, sir. Big body best member. I used to be dusty. Alive, man. Today's the big day. Teanna Trump, Miss Trump herself. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. This is it. No cap.
I'm not trying to get copyrighted, y'all.
What's good? Damn. Yo, listen. We have the worst luck. No cap.
What?
When I'm here, you're somewhere else. When I'm somewhere else, you here.
You're always here though.
Yeah, now I am.
Oh.
I had to handle some things, but when you were here, and you went to Europe.
Yeah.
Oh, we about to talk about all that. How was Europe? You fuck with it?
It's okay. It's like being in New York. Well, London is.
Oh, that ass. Damn, like me and her finally face to face. You feel what I'm saying? And look, she tried to copy me with the green on green.
Green's my favorite color.
I haven't even shown nobody my whip yet. So you technically like the first person.
Is this brand new?
Yep. Be honest with me.
It's nice as fuck.
I bet. Look, you got. Hey, look, you about to be the first lady on the passenger side. Not even my mom sat in that seat.
It's out here. Shit everywhere.
So go ahead and sit down. Do what I'm saying.
Not your car. Let me see the.
Oh, God is my car.
Let me see your name.
Okay. Man, that's instant. TT.
I normally don't wear eyeliner, but I was like, let's try it today, and I did it. Ew, the fact that we're matching is kind of weird.
Yeah, it's kind of like. If everything we did it on
That's cute though. They matching.
purpose too. Last time I seen you, it was through a screen. And now look, like, and I ain't gonna lie, look. Some girls don't be looking the same in person. I think you look better in person.
Shut the fuck
I'm
up.
dead ass. I'm dead ass.
Well, better than my
He like
photos.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
I think you look like, or like, I don't know. I always tell people like,
Am I big?
what you mean are you big?
Like am I
big? Hell yeah. You got the thunderclap. Her thighs is on thunderclap mode. Like, you feel what I'm saying? Your thighs is on, like, so I know you've been working out. I'm trying to get back in the gym too. I've been slacking, bro. I need to get my gains back up. I got a little muscle. I gotta get it up a little bit. You feel
How
what I'm
much do
saying?
you weigh?
I weigh 150, almost 150. Like 143, around something like that. That's the last time I checked my weight. How much you weigh?
Weigh 148.
Yeah, when we was on the E-Day, you said we weighed like the same type shit. Yep. And I was like, I could pick you up. And you was like,
Nah.
no, you can't. And you was like, how much do you weigh? And I said this and I said that. Out of every contestant though, like, I was the winner type shit.
So now he know how much to aim for when he in the gym lifting weights. Try to get that 150 and see what's going on.
I fuck with you for picking me. You feel what I'm saying? That's love. That's love. That's love. But how you been though?
Busy, doing nothing. I'm trying to like gain weight, but in the natural way, like eating Mexican, Jamaican, American, but like unhealthy.
Oh, you like Jamaican food?
Yeah.
What you like?
Curry. Chicken.
Curry chicken. You know what's so crazy is that I'm Caribbean.
No, you're not.
I'm Trinidadian and Haitian.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am, and I can speak a little patois, my girl. You feel me? When I see your dogs cooking my nice little curry chicken with nice little curry good.
See, I want to come over his house when he cooking, when his mama cooking, and just come to the family, chill out, get some jerk wings or something. I bet they be doing it up, yo.
Anything you oxtails? You like oxtails?
I've never had it.
You never had oxtails?
No.
Oh no, I gotta cook you some oxtails one day. I ain't
You
gonna
can't
lie.
cook.
Tianna,
Cook me some
you keep saying I can't cook or I can't do this. I could do a lot of things.
No.
Yes, I could. I wish you had more time out here so I could just show you all my abilities and what I'm good at and stuff like that. You feel what I'm saying? Because not a lot of people see that side of me, but I would be, I'm glad to show you. I like to make pasta and steak a lot. Do you like pasta or steak?
No. Steak, I do not eat red meat. But chicken?
No, I don't.
That's why I said curry, because chicken is like my shit.
Have you ever tried curry goat?
No.
Damn, curry goat is better than curry chicken.
No way.
You haven't even tried it, so don't even do that. Calm down.
Yeah, it's because probably, and this is me guessing, y'all. If y'all from the islands somewhere, y'all let me know because I don't know officially. But I'm assuming that, you know, because it's red meat, it absorbs the flavors better than chicken because it's more you know, it has different places to put all the seasoning, you know, to soak in and be part of the meat versus chicken, you know.
I had lamb.
Lamb is good. I fuck with lamb.
Okay.
You fuck with lamb?
Lamb and goat are the same thing, right?
No.
Oh.
I think I don't know. They look the same. I think they look the same and stuff like that. But
You gonna take her to the zoo, but I ain't gonna come for her. She don't know. She don't know. Everybody ain't seen it.
yeah.
Where's your girlfriend?
I don't have one. Think I'm lying about that too?
I swear, I watched
What?
it.
Guy tried it. He said, "Oh, I don't have one. I'm single." He said, "What you want to do, ma'am?" She's like, "Yep, that's a lie." Do your research, ladies.
I watched one of your videos trying to like get a feel for what the fuck's going on here. First of all, you lied about your dad. That's not your dad.
I lied about my dad. Oh, yeah, yeah, so you talking about Duke. I ain't gonna lie. All right. You feel what I'm saying? She got me.
You act like you're young too.
Do you think I'm young?
Yes.
Why though?
Cause you act like it.
Because I like have a lot of energy? Is that a bad thing?
No, it's good.
Okay, just have to make sure with you because a lot of people tell me that like I got too much energy.
No.
You feel what I'm saying?
What's your zodiac sign?
Sagittarius.
Ugh.
Don't do that. What's your zodiac sign?
Leo.
Oh my God. Leo. Nah, I don't know. Leo. First of all, where's your boyfriend?
Why?
You don't know where your boyfriend's at?
I have a lot of boyfriends. I have like 20.
Do we? Like seriously?
Yeah.
Damn, that's lit. Like they did ask like yeah, like all right. Do they did ask like be on some shit like?
No.
Tiana's my girlfriend.
No. No.
Damn. So why? Damn. Okay. What's your type?
I don't really have a preference.
It's just like whoever looks good to you.
That's why I got 20, because I'm like, I don't know which one I want.
True.
Get him, sis. She ain't playing no games. She's like, "Yep, you're not the only one."
Damn, that's kind of like. You feel what I'm saying? Like I don't got no girlfriend because I just feel like no girl. Like I don't know. I haven't met nobody that.
Whenever I have a kid, I want like 20 different guys to nut in a cup, like 20 different races, 20 different guys. And I want
You're gonna have the most exotic baby in the world.
No, it's like whoever comes the best wins. Do you know what I mean? So you just
Because it's a race. At the end of the day, it's a race.
Yeah. Pour it in.
Damn. What? High five? You can't high five me?
That's what guys do.
What you mean that's what guys do?
You're about to do the whole.
Oh. What? Alright. Look. That was actually a good ass idea though. Damn. 20 guys in the cup.
20 guys come in a cup, mix it up, pour it in me, and see who's.
You keep that to yourself, sweetheart. That, sis feed, no, girl, sister, no. She really thought about this too. You thinking too hard, girl.
Has the strongest cum.
I think if I was to come in the cup, my cum will be the strongest.
You ever had a girl pregnant?
No.
But how do you figure that?
Because I just feel like I have a connection with it.
Okay. What does that do with being strong?
That just means like, I don't know. I feel like if you, like I just feel like my cum is really healthy.
Why don't you have a girlfriend?
Cause it's right now for me. I just feel like it's a distraction.
From what?
From having sex with a variety of girls. Nice man. but how do you feel about people like guys with like a lot of bodies too? I mean,
I don't care.
Yeah,
I need experience. I need a seasoned man because if he
seasoned, that's the word she used. That's the word you was using.
Yeah, if you don't know what he's doing, no, honey, like no.
Okay.
I've had that before. One time I tried to fuck this virgin and he didn't know which hole was which, and I was like, you gotta know the basics. Like you gotta know something.
He didn't know what hole was which?
No.
Nah, that's crazy.
she X-rated?
But that's why I had said, you gotta, like, you gotta be experienced niggas. So that's why, look, this is the surprise I had in the back. Actually, looking? There's a compartment. Don't look forward.
A big ass backseat.
I'm the gift.
Shut the fuck up.
What?
I swear I was looking like this is not no gift. This is a damn brochure.
TT. Can they see me?
Yes, they can see you. That's a big ass backseat.
Yeah, I know. It's a big ass back seat to do a lot of things in type shit. You feel what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Big ass back seat type shit. Nice interior too. Like this is like I don't know where they made this from, but I know it's not from the US though. Like it's from like probably like Europe or some shit. Where Mercedes based in? I don't know. I forgot. But yeah. It's a lot of space to do a lot of things. So what if like you had came to the back seat?
Okay. Is there a faster way to do this?
Oh, yeah, no, you can just take your time. What?
Okay. Ooh.
Let's go ahead and
Oh, I should have screwed that more, but I did.
should have scooted up more.
You just damn see that more like yours.
Oh look.
This is a big ass back seat. What the fuck?
Is it actually?
Yes. What kind of fucking car is this?
This is the Batmobile.
No, it's not.
This is This is the Batmobile. Damn.
We are in the back seat.
And
Big ass car.
what I told everybody.
Oh, that's why you said that. I'm the first girl to be in the passenger seat, but I'm not the first bitch to be in the car because you've had bitches back here.
It's so new to the point where I haven't picked up no girl in there yet. Like legit, I'm a loser. I know. Hey, we in the back seat now. Wait, what are you doing? Oh, you want
That shit is on
She gotta help me out with the light show.
my head, ain't
You
it?
just turn that on?
No.
Okay. Oh no, it's not on your head. But like So wait, hold on. I ain't never do anything in like a car.
Shut the fuck up.
I swear.
The way you slip that seat up.
Huh?
The way you slip that seat up.
Oh, you think I've done this before?
You are not.
Damn!
I gotta surprise you.
I think she's right. I'm agreeing with her with that. He had plans. He's like, so come see what's back here. And this is what you do with this seat. Okay, I got automated seats for a reason. Kai is a player. Watch out for them.
I'm really experienced then. Damn. That's tough.
He's a baby.
Who's a baby?
You're a baby.
I'll show you a lot of grown man things.
Okay.
You feel what I'm saying?
You're a baby.
Stop it. Stop it. Wait
I
until...
would make you cry. Like a baby, literally.
No.
I'm a whole... See, 30's just an age, but when you come with like practice and training, that shit is different.
I'm gonna need some proof. By proof, I mean some hardcore physical proof. You understand what I mean by that?
Yeah.
What you think about that?
You want your dick sucked?
Let me ask you this.
Sis. Oh my gosh, y'all. I did not know who she was, for goodness.
When you won, what was I supposed to give you? I don't remember. Was I supposed to give you head?
You were supposed to give me a head?
We gonna fast forward this a little bit. Y'all getting a little spicy.
You were supposed to... I mean, it's up to you. You supposed to give me a head? Or we supposed to go in my room and get down? What option?
We were talking about you gonna fuck me like this, throw me up. I remember that, okay.
Would you like to experience that?
Yeah, but I don't think you can pick me up.
Huh?
Yeah, but I don't think you can pick me up. Like, no, because I really do weigh a lot. Like, I'm a lot of muscle compacted in 5'7", so it's...
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I think we should go up to my room right now.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Don't bluff. 'Cause I ain't playing.
Okay.
Say it on.
Okay, let's go. What are you waiting for?
Alright, so look. Backseat. Let me go show you, like, you know what I'm saying? What's going on? Teanna, man.
Yours is the room with the lights?
Oh, no. That's my other boy. I got red lights over here.
Okay.
This is actually a good surprise right here. Right? Would you say that? Yeah. You feel what I'm saying?
Ooh.
Like it?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna show you my room, right?
Okay.
Okay. Before anything, okay? You can't see the surprise. Wait, stay right there. Wait, you have a surprise.
I watched that for y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Oh, now he got him a new girl. They know what it is now. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the No Squad.